Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will review the Super Vasmol 33 Kesh Kala hair dye, which is oil based hair dye. In this video I will tell you about ingredients, I will tell you about procedure, and I will tell you about the results and my experience. I have used it twice long back and I will tell you everything in this video. So I hope I will cover all the things in this video, and if you like this video then please click the like button and share it. First of all, we will see that it is written it is made with ayur brush and almond protein. It has no ammonia peroxide, which is very good. Like ammonia peroxide is very harmful for us. Now look at the ingredients given. Here ingredients written are aqua light liquid paraffin, propylene glycol, cetosterol alcohol, para-phenylenediamine. So here you can see in caution it is written para-phenylenediamine, which is also called PPD and may cause skin irritations in certain cases. And you can see in all, you can check for hair dyes, and if it has PPD then it is harmful for us, and if the PPD is less than 3% or 4% then it comes under herbal product. So it is called as herbal product, but I don't think so, because it also has different ingredients like paraffin and other chemicals which are very harmful for us. So I will review it and I will tell you about this video. So this leaflet is there. In this leaflet we have inside this packet, and in this you will have two simple steps to follow. In this it is written that cover your shower with a cap or an old towel, wear gloves, shake the bottle and take required quantity of Kesh Kala in a glass or plastic bowl or in gloved hands. Apply Kesh Kala uniformly from root to tip using either a brush or gloved hands, and set your hair with a plastic comb. Next is wash your hair with soap or shampoo after 1.5 or 2 hours, which is required color development time. Means 1.5 to 2 hours. After that you need to wash it. Now it is written that you need to wash it with shampoo or soap. So important tip is given for first time user. First time user may have to follow the above procedure for the second day also to get darker shade. Means first time if you are applying, then you will not be able to get the proper result, desired result which you want. And for regular user, since hair keeps growing continuously at the root, when new gray hair shows us, apply Kesh Kala the same way you applied previous time. Means you need to apply it regularly as and when you see your roots are gray or growing. Now we can see that here in English it is written about the instructions, and it is oil based emulsion hair dye. It is oil based emulsion hair dye. Super Vasmol Kesh Kala spreads evenly, quickly throughout the hair, doesn't produce a patchy effect, doesn't make the hair rough. It is a safe way to coloring hair. It works on auto oxidization process using atmosphere oxygen, and it does not contain harsh chemicals like ammonia or hydrogen peroxide to promote coloring. Now caution is given. PPD may cause skin irritations in certain cases, so patch test should be done, and it should not be used for eyelashes or eyebrows as it may cause blindness. Okay, now here it is written this is type 1 black dye. This is type 1 black dye in which PPD is 4%, and tips given is quantity depends upon your length and thickness of hair, and you can use your own style, on convenience. For example, you can use brush or gloves, and you should use shower cap, and also you should plug the bottle very carefully. Now patch test is very much required for this product. If you use it first time, you need to apply this small amount behind your ear, so that after you can say 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can see if irritation is there, you cannot use it on your scalp. So next is special precautions. Special precautions: if it drips on your forehead, clean it with a cotton swab. Avoid rubbing on the scalp. Don't use in case your scalp has any sores, cuts, or burns. If you experience shortness of breath, seek immediate medical attention. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them with plenty of water. If irritation persists, consult a doctor. Here I read whatever the company has given instructions. Now I will tell you about my experience with this Super Vasmol 33 Kesh Kala. Actually friends, this is 100 ml bottle and price of this bottle is, you can see, 52 rupees, and you can see the manufacturing is July 2015 and expiry is June 2017. I have used this product 1.5 years back when I was facing gray hair and I was looking for herbal product, and someone suggested me and I used it. I used it twice. In first use, I experienced a heavy headache which causes me nausea also, and I didn't get the proper result of gray hair, means I didn't get black hair. So I used it after 1 week also. I didn't get the desired result and the nausea was consistent for the second application also. And you can see that in the instructions, there are so many instructions, and PPD is very harmful for all of us, so I would not recommend this product to be used by anyone because it is very harmful for us and it gives results. I heard that if continuous you can use it, if it is suitable to you, you can use it, and if it is giving you proper results, then you can continue. But my opinion is not to use this product, as I will prefer the hair dye based on henna, so that I can give my hair nourishment as well as the color change. So I hope I have covered all the questions and I also have explained it very well. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share the video for more such informational videos. Thank you. Bye.